Eric, great to speak to you today. Today, as we all know, we find ourselves navigating a highly unusual macro environment. Inflation, labor, disruption to supply chains, and geopolitics. I know we both get asked all the time, what can we do about driving cost optimization? And thanks, Eric, for being here to have this conversation.
Hi, Sahana. Thanks for having me, and great to be having this conversation with you today as well. And as you said, matter of fact, every company is trying to strike that balance between optimizing their cloud spend in the near term and driving business value in the longer term. And specifically with an eye toward that future growth, right? Given technologies innovations are only accelerating at such an exponential rate, digital commerce, personalization, and hybrid work.
Through our work together, we have identified cost optimization as a critical area that supports financial resilience. There are 4 cloud-related strategies that we have identified. I'll start with the first 2 and then pass it over to you, Eric, to speak about monitoring cost and FinOps. First, allowing infrastructure to respond to demand with flexibility and security. Adopting a serverless container platform like Cloud Run that scales to 0 can eliminate unused costly resources. This not only delivers flexibility to manage peaks in traffic, but also reduces costs through flexible consumption-based pricing. In addition, Google Kubernetes Engine with up to 10x greater infrastructure scalability not only lets you reduce costs, but also lets you free up engineering talent. Your applications and services will scale easily and efficiently on Google Cloud. The second is unifying disparate data systems. Aggregating data with systems, management, and access helps to optimize spend by reducing the total cost of ownership. Migrating that data to the cloud to create a unified data platform reduces your cost of ownership by lowering infrastructure, maintenance, and data model and query development costs. This also actually accelerates time to value by consolidating data silos, getting real-time business insights, and creating a cost-efficient platform for AI and ML. And over to you, Eric, to talk about building a FinOps culture.
Sahana, those are very great points. As you mentioned, the third strategy that we see is all about proactively managing their cloud spend. Adopting cloud management tools allow customers to optimize cost intelligently and provide the visibility needed to make decisions about resources utilizations, from selecting the right machine type to gaining detailed understanding of their current cloud costs and how they will trend in the future. Without a clear picture of projects and associated costs, it'd be very difficult to balance the day-to-day business needs with cost-cutting priorities. So cloud management tools will help customers optimizing their costs more intelligently. And finally, as you mentioned, it's all about adopting a FinOps culture, right? And achieving cost optimization is really a team sport, and the team needs to work together to save and get better results. And so from Google perspective, FinOps is an evolving cloud financial management discipline, and it's also a cultural practice that enables organizations to get the maximum business value by working with engineers, finance, and technology and business team to collaborate on data-driven spending decisions. With Cloud FinOps, we see many enterprises making significant cloud investment can now establish detailed cost visibility through a set of cloud cost management tools, continuously optimizing their cloud costs with better efficiencies, accurately forecast consumptions, and implementing metrics to quantify the true value of their investment. There's so much more that we can share today, Sahana, about this, and our teams work with customers all the time to do just that.
Thank you, Eric. I know cloud cost optimization is on the minds of many of our customers. If any of you are interested in learning more about the specifics for your organization, please contact your Google Cloud sales representative to schedule a meeting with one of our advisors or to sign up for a workshop. Thank you, everyone.